Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about touch fix or how to solve the problem of Tapas app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Tapas app and we click here. In this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.